Oh, man. Oh, man. Come on, Lola. Come on. Come on.
It's over for Maria. Yeah, he got side mount.
Yep, she's about to tap out. Oh. Okay, tap out. Pull back, restart. Restart. That wasn't going anywhere.
That round went to Maria.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
God dang.
Show him where Clyde peed. Show him. Oh, that was a good punch. Come on, grind his nose in it, Maria. Fabian.
She got to get him off first. Oh. Oh. It's a little tough, girl.
What the heck? I wasn't doing
Come on.
I got my squeeze. What the heck?
Just a squeeze.
Oh.
Ground and pound, ground and pound.
Alright, dude, get off me.
Hey.
It's freaking squeezing my ribs and stuff.